This is how to factory reset your iPhone 14. Let's start with the device powered off. So to do that, we're going to touch volume up, volume down, and hold power until the slide to power off comes up, and we're going to do that. And it takes 3, 5, 10 seconds for the device to completely power off. So while that's powering off, we're going to bring up our iTunes. We're going to bring up our USB Lightning. We're going to connect iTunes to the iPhone, but immediately we're going to hold volume down and power at the same time. Here we go. Plug in, volume down, and power at the same time. So the Apple logo is going to come on once, and then the connect to iTunes message is going to come up next. Just takes a few more seconds. We'll be patient together here. There we are. All right, now inside of iTunes, it will know what to do. To factory reset, they use the word restore. So we're going to choose restore. As soon as I can locate my arrow, I click restore. And then it's going to bring up a secondary message to verify. And we want to restore and update. So I'm going to click restore and update. And we've got some software update. This is a good example. So we want the software update, so we're going to click next, and we're going to agree, and then we're going to wait. Now what happens is that we'll wait for that software to update, and then the phone, we'll see what happens. The phone may continue. If it's a short update, the phone will stay connected, but if it's a long update, we'll have to redo this process. So we'll pause right here. If everything works out, it takes about 13 minutes. If we have to come back, we'll come back and I'll give you the instructions. Otherwise, just continue on. Make yourself a cup of tea. Let's wait together. And I'm pushing pause on my side right now. And we're back. That was a solid 26 minutes for the software update and for the iTunes to rewrite the software onto the iPhone. But that does it. Then you can just go through your phone and start programming it with how you want to set your device up. And that is how you factory reset your iPhone, Apple 14. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.